An hour further up north into the Queenb district, we arrived in Figueira da Foz and connected with Antonio, who wants to take us an hour and a half east to bomb some hills.
Só dá velocidade se fores em taco. Se não fizeres, vais bem.
Tranquilo. The strongest Portuguese accent I've heard so far. Sometimes, like after he's done talking, I'd be like, yeah. It's just like listening to a Scottish person talking. I would just love it, but I'm not getting what he's saying.
Some of Antonio's friends joined us, including Perquito.
Foi o ano passado, houve o maior incêndio, acho eu, que já houve em Portugal. Portugal quase todo ardeu. Se fores ver, está tudo queimado. Portugal queimou quase todo. Eu comecei a andar de skate há 4 anos e pouco. Eu sempre fiz bodyboard, é o meu desporto número 1, é o que eu faço desde pequeno. No bodyboard sempre gostei mais de surfar ondas grandes. E encontrei neste desporto um bocado aquela adrenalina que há nas ondas grandes. Pronto, e foi o que me motivou mais para continuar a fazer este desporto.
O João do Wasteland, o cara que faz os skateparks, ele me falou que você foi o primeiro em andar nas ondas.
Sim, fui dos primeiros. Tipo, o bodyboard em Portugal sempre foi muito forte. Antigamente era mais forte que o surf e o pessoal do bodyboard sempre foi um bocado mais atirado, mais corajoso. E em 2003 fizeram o primeiro campeonato de ondas grandes lá na Nazaré e foi aí que se deu a conhecer um pouco as ondas grandes da Nazaré. E um colega nosso de lá da Nazaré mandou um mail ao McNamara a mostrar-lhe aquelas ondas gigantes para ver se ele estava interessado em vir cá. E ele veio. Entre 2013 e 2011 éramos só nós que surfávamos lá. Sim, eu e um colega meu, se calhar, fizemos coisas assim um bocado malucas, se calhar, tipo, entrámos lá em dias grandes sem ninguém na praia, sem mota d'água, quase morremos. Mas pronto, agora já estamos mais velhos, já mais conscientes da...
E como vocês acharam essa descida aqui?
Nós descobrimos esta descida através de um colega nosso. Para mim é das melhores em Portugal. É rápido, é difícil, mas ao mesmo tempo, como tem muitas curvas, obriga a travar e não fica tão perigoso. Pronto. Acho que é mais difícil quando tem retas, damos muita velocidade e depois perdemos o controle.
É verdade. Então, aqui em Portugal, vocês, sempre que vão andar, vocês chegam em rádios, né? Walkie-talkie?
Sempre.
E como fecham a estrada? Como faz?
Eu tenho ideia que é assim no mundo inteiro.
Não.
Ou não? Não sei. Nós normalmente temos todos walkie-talkies, um rádio, um auricular e vai um carro à frente com um rádio bom, grande, uma antena, para não perder sinal, a dizer se a estrada está livre ou se vem carros e pronto, e andamos sempre assim. Nunca andamos sem alguém à frente a avisar se vem carro. Um carro aqui na esquerda do S, fez agora à esquerda do S. Uma carrinha Citroën. Está agora na rede.
With kilometers and kilometers of rolling countryside, you'll find pockets of wind turbines. Portugal is a world leader in renewable energy. We drove further north, passing through Porto, up 200 kilometers into the Braga district, to Esposende, where we were planning to connect with our friend Ian, who's in town on business. It was time to turn in our rental car, and he had a line in on a used car we could purchase that we could bring to other countries on our future travels.
Sweet rig, purrs like a kitten. Alright, we're here with the crew. Rui's going to tag along with us.
We are in Esposende, Portugal. It's the best place to make kite surf. It's amazing over there.
Diz upside down.
There we go. Off to a good start.
Nice shape.
Okay.
I'm just seeing if you knew what you're doing.
Yeah.
I don't want to mess my hair up. Got a big date tonight. There we go. It's my warm-up in the morning. Releasing my gases.
Here you control your kites, not like
driving.
not like driving, but a motorcycle.
Ah, okay.
Okay. All right.
Our instructor Enzo shows Shane how to sail the kite to safety if he gets into a jam.
You sail this kite out. You see? Now the wind's blowing here.
I want to sail it out.
Yeah, you sail.
Ooh, it's go time. There we go.
Left a little bit.
Left, yeah. I like it.
You fly like a bird, and then you see sometimes you have a good wave coming, you pop in the wave up, and then you fly, and it's like amazing. Some people like riding, some people like wave, some like people like freestyle. I love jumping. This is what I do.
When watching newcomers learning to fly, it's a good idea to steer clear, as Shane soon finds out.
I got eaten by the kite. My life flashed before my eyes. Word to the wise, stay away from me when he's flying kite.
There's a storm coming up.
Unfortunately, the weather was turning for the worst, and we had to cut the session short.
Because of the wind conditions, we only got to do the practice runs on the beach, but it was still enough to get a taste of what this sport is all about, man. This was amazing. It was super fun, and it was great just to feel the power of the kite, and I know what it's like, I guess. Once it goes, you go. I had a good experience, apart from getting attacked by Ian's kite, but I'll get a revenge next time. There's always next time.
I'm gonna get it better next time.
The weather worsened, so we thought it would be a good time to explore further north in Ponto de Lima, then Barcelos, to check out a supposed festival going on tonight.
We're in Ponto de Lima. The boys at Wastelands have built this amazing pump track. This thing is out of control. It's so good that we'll skate it in the rain if we have to.
Here we are in Barcelos.
This is Festas de Cruces. It happens once a year. The celebration is about the national symbol of Portugal, the cock. Apparently the cock got burned, but then the cock came back to life.
Over this 12-day celebration, hundreds of thousands of tourists venture into Barcelos.
Hola, how many parts for €5? €5, how many parts? Yeah, how many? Seis. So that's almost €1 per part. Hey. You heard it here. Best part in town during Cockfest. It's like a sword swallower. No, definitely the best hot fart I've ever had.
We trekked back 86 kilometers south to finish our trip in the city that gave this country its name, Porto. We arrived with appetites and ready to eat, but instead our table almost burnt down. Sabrina catches all the action on her phone.
Oh my god, be careful. Oh, don't get burned. Okay, we're not doing the fondue, I think.
Are you filming vertical? I lost so much respect for you just now.
The next day we connected with Joao. Yes, another Joao. Porto is Portugal's second biggest city after Lisbon.
This is the real Porto. This is a part of Ribeira near to the river. If you want to meet real people from Porto, you can meet them from here.
Is there always this many people here?
No, in summer it's much more.
Due to high demand, there's 14 daily flights between both cities.